Our problem for today is Freddie was outside practicing his kicking for his football championship game. The first ball he kicked flew over the school gate and into the street, rolling down a very steep hill. The distance the football rolled down the street was 8 feet the first second, 24 feet the second, and 40 feet the third second. What is the total distance the object will roll in 6 seconds? Now, in our problem, it says that the football rolled 8 feet in the first second. So this will be our first term, known as our a sub 1, and this will be equal to 8. It says that it rolled 24 feet the second, so this should be our a sub 2 is equal to 24, and 40 feet the third second, so our a sub 3 is equal to 40. So now what we do is we have to find our d, which is our common difference, and this could be found by subtracting any term by the one before it. So I will use 40 minus 24 is equal to 16, and so d is equal to 16. Now what we have to do is we have to plug in what we know into our arithmetic sequence formula, and this is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now we know our a sub 1 is 8, so we can plug that in, n minus 1, and our d is 16. So now we distribute our 16, so we will get a sub n is equal to 8 plus 16 n minus 16. And when we simplify, we get a sub n is equal to 16n minus 8. So now we have to use our partial sum formula, and for arithmetic, this is sum of n equal to n over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. So we can plug what we know into our formula. So since we are looking for how far it will roll in 6 seconds, this is our s of 6, and our n is 6 over 2. We know our first term is 8, but we don't know our last term, which is the a sub n. So to find our last term, since we solved for our arithmetic formula before, which is 16n minus 8, all we have to do is plug in 6 for n. So the a sub n will equal 16 times 6 minus 8, and when we work that out, our a sub n is equal to 88. So now we can plug this back into our partial sum formula. So it'll be 88 plus 8, and this is all over 2. So there we go. So 88 plus 8 is 96, and so our s of 6 will equal 6 times 96 divided by 2. So 6 times 96 is 576, and divided by 2 is equal to 288. So our sixth term will equal 288, and that is how long the football will roll in 6 seconds, 288 feet.